Kumshi bentaban rakhi ka World Environment Day ka bocilong man usnam haka santarik mentau benajil leo hajar arpoe u Chief Minister ka Jelau Konrad K Sama rengkar bat ki Menteri Sorkar kilashim bentah haka ni ka singi rakhi ka World Environment Day daga batung ki tenrai dieng ban penne ban sa ya ka jing itenat bat jing ipu ipeng ka mei mariang ya gani ka jing rakhi bat penne ban sa ya ka mariang la penlong daga Department of Planning and Department of Soil and Water Conservation Government of Meghalaya ya ka phang preng ka bala ecosystem restoration.
Yeah, today being World Environment Day, we have been planning to go for mass deforestation in different parts of the state. We plan to cover close to 700 hectares in the coming months. And here we are in Marandum, Shillong area, where we have decided along with the Himalayan and the other local bodies and the leaders here to have a plantation of almost 33 hectares. This plantation will not be monocrop, but it will be a mixed, almost a forest which we are planning. So different species and varieties of trees will be planted, and the idea is to really grow these kind of small forests in different parts of the state. So therefore, this project is a 33-hectare project, and we are very hopeful that in the years to come, all this area behind us, which is barren, will be full of trees. So that's really what the project is. And we started off by planting the trees on an important day like World Environment Day, along with our Honorable Minister for Soil Conservation, Shri Hamletson Dolling, and the other officials from Soil Conservation. So we need the cooperation of the people also, and I hope that people also join us in this movement to ensure that we can convert not just this area but other areas also into mass forest areas. Thank you.